It's in my heart. Honestly, die for this place. Just because, made my proper friends here. So I grew here,
Have you ever encountered any kind of nastiness or resentment that, you have come from outside and here you are, doing really well in football?
Yes. I got it first 2 years, I say. Just racism and stuff like that. But you just laugh it off, because I remember them times it was just whites and blacks really divided, completely divided, even in the schools. You just felt the tension. And then it all kind of died off. And then now we're all mates, It's funny enough, every single one of us. Like, I wouldn't say Balbriggan's racist anymore, because if it is, then it's just people that are being ignorant to, embrace the culture. This is Balbriggan.
Both my parents are from Nigeria and I was born in America. You never really feel different, despite your color and your nationality and stuff. No one ever really makes you feel singled out, and I like that. If I do notice myself that I'm different than anyone else, it kind of makes me feel a bit lonely, but everyone does their best to make everyone feel welcome.
It's really good because everyone's so different, but everyone just fits in together.
I'm from Ireland, Balbriggan here, and my dad is from Balbriggan, my mom's from Ghana. Well, now that I've moved here, I really like the way that everyone is welcome. There's a group for everyone here in Balbriggan.
I really like Balbriggan, especially going to school in Balbriggan. Everyone is from different places, and there's so many different races and religions.
So I like to meet different people rather than everybody being from Ireland, because it gets kind of boring,
I think Balbriggan is great, but I also think that parents are very worried about their kids going out, because there's not really places where youth clubs and stuff like that, so kids don't really have a place to go. So we're always just, if we want to go out with our friends, it's normally on the streets.
There isn't really enough places for us to be around in. We are usually just out in the streets, just walking around with our friends. A lot of people see that as a negative, because some of the people in Balbriggan aren't really seen as nice, but they don't really know us, who we are and who could we be.
Overall, I'd say it's positive. You get to meet more people and learn a little bit more about the world and more about people in general. There's always going to be a few in generations that aren't really tolerant of others, but I think with our generation specifically, it's a lot less than what would be other generations that have come before us.